بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
أرأيت الذي يكذب بالدين فذلك الذي يدع اليتيم ولا يحض على طعام المسكين فويل للمصلين الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون الذين هم يراءون ويمنعون الماعون.
Hast thou observed him who belieth religion? That is he who repelleth the orphan, and urgeth not the feeding of the needy. Ah, woe unto worshippers, who are heedless of their prayer, who would be seen at worship, yet refuse small kindnesses.